Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. First, open up your Messenger app, then select the particular person you just want to block. Like I want to block this person, so I will go to the this person chat, then click on the top right side corner in this icon. Then scroll it down a little bit and you'll see the block option. Just click on that. Then if you want to block this person from the messenger, you just need to select the first option here. Then click on block. And if you want this person to be blocked in your Facebook as well as messenger, then click on the block on Facebook and block this person. And now this person is blocked from your Facebook as well as in the messenger. So hope this video helps you. If yes, please make sure to like, share and subscribe.